Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about the lesson unit rate. This is for grade 7 mathematics for Ministry of Education UAE, and the questions I have taken from your school book. Let's start the lesson. Okay, see, this is unit rate. So first of all, we'll try to understand what is the meaning of unit rate. See, unit means 1. Okay, whenever we say unit rate means rate for one unit or rate for one quantity. For example, if I say if you buy some books and you give money for that to the bookshop, yes. So for example, suppose you buy 10 books and you give 150 dirham. Okay, you buy 10 books and you give 150 dirham to the shopkeeper. Then if you will buy one book, then how much money you will pay for this? Pause the video and try to find the answer. Okay, again understand the question. If you buy 10 books, then you have to pay 150 dirham to the shopkeeper. And now if you will buy one book, then how much money you will have to pay? Definitely it is going to be very less amount. Yes, lesser than 150. So for less amount, what we will do? We will divide. So this will be 150 divided by 10. It means it will be equal to 15 dirham. Okay, so this 15 dirham is called unit rate, because this is the rate for one quantity, because this is the rate for one book. Okay, not only for the books or any article, you can say for the distance also. For example, suppose you travel some distance and then time. Say for example, I am taking time here and then distance here. Okay, now say for example, in 30 minutes you travel a distance of say 50 kilometers. In 30 minutes you cover a distance of 50 kilometers. Then how much distance you will cover in 1 minute? In 1 minute, definitely you are going to cover the lesser distance. Yes, so for lesser distance you will have to divide. So 50 divided by 30. So 0 and 0 cancelled out. So you will get 5/3 kilometers. Okay, it depends on your question. If options are given in decimal points, then you can write in decimal point. Okay, now we can have another type of question also, like for example, suppose same type of time and distance. Let's complete time and distance. So for example, suppose we in 40 minutes we are covering say for example 90 kilometers. So in 30 minutes how much distance you will cover? In 30 minutes you will cover less distance. Yes, so you can do these such questions by two ways. First, you can find for one unit, you can find for 1 minute, and then you can multiply it by 30 to get the answer, or you can do it directly. So whatever you like, you can do that. Okay, whatever is convenient for you. So if you are converting it in one, then that is called unitary method. I will tell you both. Okay, see, we have to find for 30 minutes, no problem, but first of all we are going to find for 1 minute. So for 1 minute, as you know, it will cover lesser distance. So 90 divided by 40, 0 and 0 cancelled out, so it will be 9/4 kilometers per minute. Okay, this is the distance covered in 1 minute. Okay, so I will write here only 9/4 kilometer, because 1 minute is written here. So in 30 minutes, how much distance it will travel? It will travel more distance. So just multiply it. So 9/4 multiply by 30, and you have studied in the fractions that how to multiply the fractional numbers. So just divide 30 by 4. It will be 4 sevens are 28, and then 2 remainder, 4 fives are 25, 4 fives are 20, and multiply 9 by 7.5. It will be 9 fives are 45, 4 carried forward, 9 sevens are 63, and 4 67.5 kilometers. Okay, like this you can do the question. So this is called unitary method, because we have converted this into unitary method in unit rate. Okay, otherwise also you can do it directly, like for 40 minutes it is traveling 90 kilometers. So for 30 minutes it will travel less. So for less we will divide by more. So this 30 will be multiplied with this 90 and then you will have to divide it by 40. Okay. So same type of answer you will get from here also 67.5. Hope you have understood this lesson, and now we are going to discuss some questions. As I have told you, questions I have taken from your book. Okay. Let's try to understand this question. A truck driver drove 90 kilometers in 30 minutes. At this rate, I'm sorry for that. At this rate, how many kilometers he will drive in 1 minute? See, in 30 minutes, this is the time, 30 minutes, he is covering 90 kilometers. So in 1 minute, he will cover lesser distance. So for lesser distance, you will divide. So 90 divided by 30 and it will be equal to 3 kilometers. So this unit rate will be 3 kilometers. My dear students, sometimes it can also be written as that unit rate is equal to 3 kilometers per minute, or you can say 3 kilometers for 1 minute. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Now next question can be, a truck driver drove, same type of question but with the different values, 48 kilometers in 45 minutes. 48 kilometers in 45 minutes. Okay, we have to find the distance. So I am writing this distance after this, after the time. So 48 kilometers. Okay. Now in 1 hour, how much distance he will cover? So 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, he will cover more distance. So for more, what you will do? You can do it by unitary method or you can do directly also. So whatever you want, you can do. Okay. So I am doing it directly. So 48 multiply by 60 divided by 45. Okay. Now this calculation you will have to be little careful for while doing the calculation. Now see how you will do this. 60 divided by 45. We cannot divide 60 by 45. So by which number you can divide? By 5. So if you will divide 60 by 5, you will get 12. If you will divide 45 by 5, you will get 9. Again 12 cannot be divided by 9. So what we can do here? 12 can be divided by 3, means it will be 4. 12 can be divided by, 9 can be divided by 3, it will be 3. Now 4 cannot be divided by 3 or by any other number, but 48 can be divided by 3. So 48 divided by 3 will be equal to 16. So finally what we got here? 16 times 4 means 64 kilometers. Like this you can do this question, or as I have told you earlier, you can do it by unitary method also. Okay. Now another question can be, an airplane flew 104 kilometers in 50 minutes. Okay. How many distance in 1 hour? Same type of question. You see, first is minute, means 50 minutes here, means it is time, and then here it is distance 104 kilometers, and then how much in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes it will cover more distance. So more distance means 104 multiply by 60 divided by 50. Okay. Now you just calculate, it is just a calculation, 0 and 0 cancelled out, and no number can be divided by 5. So definitely we are going to get the answer in decimals. So 104 divided by 5, it will be 5 times 2, 10, then 0 decimal 0.8. 20.8 multiply by 6, it will be 6 8s are 48, then 4 carried forward, 6 2s are 12, 124.8 kilometers. Okay. Maybe in exam they will say find the nearest distance. So nearest distance approximately it will be equal to then 125 kilometers. Okay. Like this you can change the answer if it is required. Now next question can be, in Ali's garden the pepper plant grew 5 inches in 3/4 month. How many feet can they grow in 1 month? Now you see, 3/4 month. It is less than 1 or greater than 1? Yes, it is less than 1 because numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is 3, denominator is 4. So it is less than 1. Okay. So 3 over 4 month, how much is the growth? It is 5 inches. Okay. Now they are asking about the feet, not they are not asking the answer in terms of inches, and you can see it is given here. 5 inches is equal to 5 by 9 feet. So you can write it here also, 5 by 9 feet. Okay. Maybe they will not give you this information in the exam because in the previous classes you have studied that how many inches are in feet or in kilometers or in centimeter. Okay. All these unit conversion you should remember. Now in 1 month, so 1 month means more, so it will be more than this value. So what we are going to do, 1 multiply by 5 over 9 divided by 3 over 4. Now you see, my dear students, this is the calculation of fractional values, and if you remember, I told you before also in my previous videos that A divided by B divided by C over D, it will be equal to A over B times D over C. Division will be converted into multiplication and the denominator fraction will be reciprocated. So what it will be? See, with the multiplication of 1 it doesn't make any difference, so we will leave it. So it will be 5 over 9 times 4 will go numerator, 3 will be in the denominator. Nothing can be cancelled out here. So 5 times 4, 20, 9 times 3, 27. So 20 by 27 feet it can grow in 1 month. Okay, like this you can do the question. Now another question can be, Zayed downloaded 8 apps in 12 seconds. How many apps could he download in 1 minute? See, 12 seconds, I am sure. See, what you can do here, just to decide that whether you understood the lesson or not, what you can do here, just pause the video and do the question yourself. It will give you the confidence, okay? And if you can do this, then match your answer with my video, okay? 12 seconds is equal to 8 apps, 8 applications, okay? And then in 1 minute, in 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds he will download more apps. So what you will do here, for more you will multiply 60 by 8 and then divide it by 12. Okay, my dear students, if you have any confusion in writing this, then I will prefer you for doing with the unitary method, that first you do for 1 and then you multiply. Okay, see, I'm doing like here, for 1 second it will be, just divide it, okay, no second thought here, divided by 12. So 8 divided by 12, in 1 second he will download 8 by 12 app. So in 60 second he will download 8 by 12 multiply by 60. You see, this expression and this expression both are same. Okay, so you will get the same answer. Now 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5. So 5 times 8 it will be 40. So 40 apps he can download in 1 minute. Now next question can be, thunder from a bolt of lightning travels 1 by 10 miles in half second. See, in half second it travels 1 by 10 miles. So how much it will travel in 1 second? Now see, this type of question very easy and direct also, because this is half and this is 1. So it is double. So when this side is double, so this will also be doubled. Okay, as you have studied in the ratio in my another video. So just double it. So 1 by 10 multiply by 2. So 1 by 10 multiply by 2 means 1 by 5 miles. You just double it. Okay, if they say 2 seconds, then make it 4 times. Like this you can do the calculation, or you can do it by traditional method also. Now another question can be, to prepare for a competition, Ahmed completed 3 training sessions. Okay, I think I forgot to write the table here. 3 training sessions, the table shows the average time and distance. Okay, so luckily I have this book with me. I will write the table here, time and distance. So this is, first is distance in miles and time in hours, okay, or you can say kilometer, whatever it is, it's okay. This is time is 2 over 125, and then distance is 9 over 10. Then time is 3 over 200, and distance is 11 over 12, and then time is 3 over 250, and distance is 17 over 20. Okay, now these are the 3 sessions what he did. Okay, so what is the question? Question is, did Ahmed's rate in miles per hour increase from session to session? So this was the first session, this is second, and this is the third session. So what you are going to do? Miles per hour. So distance divided by the time. So for first session, what is the rate, unit rate? This is 9 over 10 divided by 2 over 125. Again, I am telling you why I am writing distance up in numerator, because they say miles per hour. So it means time will go down and miles will come up. So this will be, it is just a simple calculation. So 9 over 10 multiplied by 125 divided by 2. Now we can simplify this, or we want to leave it. Okay, see, with the help of division by 2, we can do it like 5 times 2, 10, and then here 5 times 2, 10, 5 5s are 25. So this is 25 multiplied by 9. So it will be 225 divided by 4. Now divided by 4. So 4 times 5, 20, and then 4 times 5, 22 remainder, 4 times 6, 24, 1 remainder, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 5, 25. So for first session, average is 56.25 miles per minute, or whatever it is given, okay, per hour or per minute, it's okay, because we are just converting into unit rate now. Okay, so this is for 1. Now we are going to convert for the second, or what I will say for you, just pause the video and convert it for another 2. Find the rate of another 2 sessions. So for second, it is, rate is 11 over 12 divided by 3 over 200. Okay, so it will be 11 over 12 and it will be reciprocated. So 200 over 3. Now I don't think that 200 will be divided by 12, so better we divide by 2. So divided by 2, or what we can do, we can divide by 4 also. 4 5s are 20, 0, and then 4 3s are 12. It is just a calculation, okay. 11 5s are 55, 0, and then divided by 9. So 9 6 are 54, then 1 remainder, then 10, 9 1s are 9, then 1, 9 1s are 9. So it will continue. So 61.11. So in the second session, it is increased. Now what about the third session? Just find it also, so that we can decide the result. So this is for the third session, it is, rate is 17 divided by 20 whole divided by 3 by 250. So it will be 17 over 20 multiplied by 250 over 3. So it will be, can be divided by something, 0 and 0 cancelled out, nothing else, I guess. Okay, so this is 17, 17 5s are 85. I am multiplying 17 and 25. Okay, 17 5s are 85, 17 2s are 34, and 8, 42 divided by 6. Now 6 7s are 42, 0.68s are 48, and then continue. So 70.8. So what you can see here, from session to session, it is increasing. Earlier it was 56, then 61, and then 70. So what result we are getting here? Ahmed's rate of practice is increasing from session to session. Okay. Now another question can be, compare the rates. We have these two statements and we have to compare it. Means which one is bigger or which one is smaller, or both are equal. So for first, this is I am taking first, and this I am taking second. Okay, 4 by 5 miles in 8 minutes. So miles per hour we can find, no problem. So miles per minute also you can find, it's okay for you. Okay, see, I will write here time and here I will write distance, and here we will find the rate. Okay, so first time is 8 minute and the miles is 4 by 5, this one, the first one. And for the second, time is 4 minute and the mile is 2 by 5. Now what you can see here, you see this is half, this is divided by 2, then you get this number. And if you divide 4 by 5 by 2, then again you will get the same number. Yes, so what you can say here, you can say both rates are same. Okay, and if you don't want to do like this, then you can write like this also, this is 1, this is 2. So what you can see here, rate for 1 is 4 by 5 divided by 8 means 4 over 5 times 1 over 8. So this is 1 over 10. And second, this is 2 over 5 divided by 4 means 2 over 5 times 1 over 4, 2 2s are 4 and 1 over 10. So what you can see here, both rates are equal. So like this you can say that both rate of change are equal or both have same unit rates. Okay, my dear students, hope you have understood these questions and the lesson. If you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.